guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you a package that I received from Melt Northampton. I'm sorry, I've sort of destroyed the packaging at the moment. It's really cute. It comes with some stickers saying this one's on me. Just asking to tag and share. This cool little flamingo, and then their logo sticker. I've just had to rip something off the front, so that's why I've destroyed those a bit. So yeah, let's get this bad boy open. The smell already, it smells amazing. Cool. So we've got a little gift bag. Who doesn't love a gift bag? And then all of my melts. So basically what happened is I ordered one of each of the sample melts and received a free gift. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These look so cute. It smells like a sweet shop in here. Sort of like when you walk into Lush, this is what that smells like. So this is a cherry wax bar. Looks pretty cool. This is a full-size one, so this is a gift. Oh, it smells so good. Then I got one of each one. So this is Starburst. This is Olympia. This is Coconut and Shea. This one's Birthday Cake. This one is Snow Fairy. This one is Ghost. This one is Blue Raspberry Slushy. This one is Sweet Pea. This one is Aliens. This one is Daisy. This one is just vanilla. Who doesn't love a classic vanilla? And this one is Lemon Sherbet. So as you can see, they all come in like a different variety of shapes. So that one's an ice lolly. We've got a couple of hearts. Some of them even have some really cool glitters in it. Like, where's Daisy? If you can see, it has like really cute little flowers in it. Birthday Cake's also a heart. Vanilla's a heart. And then Olympia, Blue Raspberry Slushy, and Sweet Pea are these cute like little flamingos. I'm not sure if you can see that through the packaging. But yeah, right. It would be out of sorts if I didn't at least burn one of these. So I think I'm gonna go for maybe not that one yet. I will go for the Daisy one because I think it's super cute. Actually nah, I've got to do it. I've got to go for a classic vanilla. Wouldn't be right. So that's the one I'm gonna burn, and it just comes with a care guide. It says place your wax melts in a melt approved wax burner and never add water. Place your wax melt warmer in a stable position away from drafts and flammable objects. Do not leave your warmer for an extended period of time, which is about 3 hours. Do not move a lit candle as tin and wax will be hot. Never leave a burner warmer unattended. Put it out. Turn it off before leaving the room. Keep out of reach of children and pets. And you can use your wax melt until the smell has faded. And they're made with love and care, especially for me, well, whoever orders. And just before I start burning, this is the cutest little gift bag. So it came with a drumstick, love is sweet, and a refresher. I'm going to pop those in my mouth in a second. And this cute little turtle and palm tree stickers, and then a little thank you for your order note, cow print. To Beth, thank you for showing an interest in my melts. I hope you love them and enjoy melting them. Lots of love, Jess. So cute. So let's get melting. Cool. So I've just cleared some space on my desk as I was filming with an overhead camera camera rig before, and I didn't want to burn a hole in my phone or cause any damage to my cameras. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop this little wax melt. Inside, I've got these like little wax melt holders because I'm so lazy. I never clean these out and it frustrates me, and I like changing the scent very often. So yeah, I'm just going to pop this in there, turn that on, see what happens. So I've just popped that in there. Now with my reusable, we're just going to turn the fire on. Oh, there we go. And now we're just gonna wait for this to melt.